I got it. Money ain't a thing if I got it. Money.
Welcome back to another video, you guys. You already know by the thumbnail what we about to do on this bike. Tell them, baby.
We're gonna put brand new graphic kits.
That's a lot of movement.
You already know.
We about to put this graphic kit on this bike. 2021 DRZ400SM. We got this graphic kit by CycleWorks Graphics right here. I'll put the link in the description. A big shout out to them. If you guys want to get some custom graphics done and you in the Kissimmee area, Orlando area,
you know where to go.
You know where to go. CycleWorks right here. So right now we're just cleaning the bike up, prepping it up.
Come on, start.
Wiping it down with alcohol, taking the little stickers off that we can. Obviously this seat is gonna change. You know what you're doing?
Kinda.
Oh damn, baby, I don't think we're supposed to take that off.
Why not? We're putting brand new ones.
We're taking the stickers off right now, as you can see. We might take these off, get it all clean. All right, so we gotta put this side first real quick. I think it's ready to install. There goes this part. Gotta go into this next one. Looks pretty clean right there. Number 4. Any bubbles in it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's the under it. Okay, I think. Let's see. Oh,
Okay, you did.
yeah. Looks good, actually. The middle looks good. Let's see. Oh, this is the holes. That's why it looks like bubbles.
Oh shit, do we have to like
Yeah, we gotta cut it out.
cut that out?
That's fine. Shit, so it looks good actually. So it just curves here. There's a bubble?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta tell me that because if not, I don't wanna go too far and then it's still there.
So guys, in the process of putting the graphics, I decided not to put the little backpack I had in the back, or that little bag, just because it looks better like that. And I don't want the bag.
I'm gonna keep it though.
I don't want the bag to just cover like, you know, the symbols and the way it looks. So I think I'm gonna just, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. It'll look way better. Look how looky. I suck at this.
You do one side, I do the other. Why you keep putting it in the same exact spot?
I don't know, I'm just freaking out, baby.
No.
Maybe you do it. Okay, so we'll start first up.
It depends where you want it. You know, you want to line it up on that, it's fine. Or, yeah, you had it perfect right there.
Really?
Yes. Just line it up to almost to a little bit. Show a little bit of aluminum. All right, and that's it. There you go. Good job.
Oops. That came out perfect.
To be honest.
Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. Like I can already picture it. Huh? Well guys, you already know, if you guys need your graphic done, just hit up CBP Junior and
For real.
I don't think they can tell from here, the glitter, it's not too noticeable. I don't think they can see it, what kind of, it's gonna be all over the bike. Jeez, the difference.
I hate doing it with the regular hands, but those gloves,
Oh my god, I just spotted something. We need a manicure.
Oh my god.
It's coming back for you. Oh, shit.
Oh, I hit him.
It's right there.
Yeah, nigga.
Get it,
Yeah.
get it. Get that shit. Oh. So right now, guys, what we're gonna do, wait, let me clean it. I'm the cleaning slash bubble looking type person.
This sticker, so you guys know, this is not really a sticker. This is like painted on there, so you can't take this off. So I don't think that you can take it off. And if you can, comment down below because I don't know how. I looks like it's painted. Well, guys, that's that part on this. I'm not gonna lie, this is coming out way better than my bike. But it looks really good, guys. Drop a comment down below if you think I'm doing a good job on this. Cause this shit looks banging, you know what I mean? Look at it. I can't wait to change the seat. No bubbles. She decided to leave that little bag off, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Look at the before, bro. Look at the before and after.
Well, guys, this is it. He's almost done on the left side. Only missing this side right here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 bubbles.
There's no bubbles.
I'm joking.
Here. I was about to say, what?
No, but it's coming pretty cool.
Thank you.
I know, I did all of them. I did this
cool,
one, this one. He only did this here because, you know, that's the easy job. And I'm just letting him do the bottom because, you know, I already did the top. Oh, and I took out the seat. It was a little hard, but still.
Go ahead, baby. Explain how you take off the seat.
So there was one bolt in here, you see, and I took it out. Oh, there you go. And then this, I clipped it. So I just put that back there, and yeah, and then I just put it up.
It's a great tutorial.
So guys, what I'm going to try to attempt while he does the other side, right there, look at that, damn, look at the difference, look. Take it out, damn. Anyways, while he tries to do that side, I am going to try, I'm gonna attempt to do this side here. I do need the heat gun and the squeegee, but let me try.
No, not this. No, you don't line it up with that.
Done.
Okay.
Look at that. Whoa. Wow.
Almost done with the bike, guys. So a little update on it. I'm about to do this side real quick so you guys can see me do some type of work. I'll show you guys a little full-on update once I finish. Alright you guys, that's the finished product right there. That looks pretty dope, to be honest. I like it. Let's look at it real quick. Obviously the seat is gonna be customized, or we'll probably get a black seat. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but let us know what you guys think in the comments. Did I do a good job? Oh, there's a little bubble here. I gotta fix that. Does it look alright? Babe, what do you think? It's your bike. Here's the customer right here.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed. I did not expect the bike to look this way.
It don't even look like...
It doesn't even look like a DRZ.
No, it looks dope. But wait till you get the seat though.
I know the seat.
I'm telling you, like the seat is gonna look better. Or you can either get the black one or like a custom one. Like one with pink or something, or... Because remember, you're gonna do the spokes too, so... Alright you guys, we finally finished the bike. What's your reaction on it, Roka, before we show them?
I'm just, it's speechless.
Alright, let's show them. It has no seat right now, you guys. We're gonna change the seat. It looks weird with the seat that it has right now, so. There you go. You did it. Well, you guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for tuning in. We gotta finish the spokes, obviously. We already did half of it. We ran out. And we gotta get the seat, but the next update will be probably the exhaust, the rest of the spokes and all that. Maybe the tail light, right?
Yeah.
And we'll see, but thanks for tuning in for the video. Catch us on the next one. We out.